When priced well, sellers are getting lists or better for homes. Buyers are offering contracts on homes listed for less than 10 days. It's Friday, October 30th, 2020, and the Halloween weekend. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis. 27 new listings that came to market since last week. That puts 296 homes actively for sale. 15 are coming soon and 37 are temporarily off the market. 21401 has a total of 128 homes for sale. In the past week, 10 homes were listed as coming soon, 14 went active, 13 went under contract in a median of 14 days. 6 went pending and 22 have sold since last Friday, with sellers getting 100% median of list price in 10 days. 21403 has a total of 76 homes for sale. 3 listed as coming soon. 10 are newly active. 10 went under contract and 12 median days. 2 moved to pending. 2 temporarily off the market. And 14 homes sold since last Friday in a median 24 days and a median list to sales ratio of 100%. 21409 has a total of 40 for sale. 2 coming soon. 3 are new to the market. 1 went into temp off. 4 went under contract in 23 days. 5 are pending. 4 homes closed since last Friday with a median sold to list price of 101.5% in 4 days. Do you have questions about the market or your specific situation? Don't use a fortune teller. Give me a call at 443-837-5645 because I want you to have all the information you need to make great decisions. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, October 30th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and I'll be here next Friday.